part 1 video of how to start Facebook monetization. Okay, if you don't know how to do other businesses, because if you want to do affiliate marketing, YouTube automation and a lot of all those things, you need to know prompting, you need to know how to copyright, how to edit, how to do a lot of stuff. But with Facebook monetization, there are simple ways on how to do it. This is the simplest formula for you to learn how to monetize your Facebook, for your Facebook to pay. You just follow this video. This is video 1, okay? So follow this video, then you are going to get access to video 2 too. I'll direct you on how to get access to video 2, video 3 till you learn everything. Then after learning, you need to implement. Okay, what are the things you need for you to start making money on Facebook? You need a Facebook page, not a Facebook profile. So go and get a Facebook page or create a Facebook page. If you can't create it, I can teach you how to create it, okay? And it's just for you to pay me a little token. I can create it for you and give it to you, okay? But it's very important, if you know how to create it yourself and follow these simple steps. And you are going to learn how to monetize your Facebook. Focus on it. Even if you don't know how to read and write much like that, you can get a monetized Facebook account and start getting paid at least $500 to $1,000 every month. All right, let's go. Make sure you follow the training and comment if you have any questions. This strategy, if you're applying for TikTok, for YouTube too, but the 3 platforms where they pay people for video views, now Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Now it be the main 3 platforms where they pay for now for video views. Do you understand? And the one where I go say, where I go direct to me use now Facebook. But for you to really get paid for Facebook, you need to understand how to edit video. There are some things where you need before they start to pay you for Facebook. You understand? That's why it's good make person know book small, even though no book too much. Person don't know book at all. You go miss a lot of opportunity. There are some things where they go to explain for you and no go fit understand if you don't know book. You understand? So it's not about knowing book though, but with a little knowledge where you get, if you feel follow, no be by say sabi book before you make money. With this thing why they explain, if you follow you go feel start building your Facebook page and you make money. See, you get some things where you need for you to start to make money for Facebook. You understand? So you get some things where you need. Now, for your Facebook, this Facebook profile where they see now, my new Facebook profile. This one now for my personal branding, making money online. This one no be for video views. You understand? This one no be for content, for views, for entertainment. The type of content one I want to teach you now, the one where you go to share advice or entertainment, is not to teach people how to make money online. No, the one where go quick go viral now about entertainment or something where say if you keep people for when people see that video, they go watch, they go comment, they go share. Now that kind of video, now I want to teach you how to create yourself without AI. You know, go to use AI. You understand? And what be the thing where you need? You need to get Facebook page. Not be normal Facebook profile. You see this one where they see so now Facebook page. Make I show you, make confirm am. If I press this place now, this place where you see, if I click on now, you go see Samuel SMSZ, get a job, blue light. You see this Samuel SMSZ, I go click am now. This one where they see so. This one na my main Facebook profile. No be this one why they open now, no be that one I go use. So that's why they explain. You need Facebook page. You need Facebook page for Facebook to fit pay you. Before you start this content thing, you need Facebook page. Sure you understand? You need Facebook page. So this one where they see, so you see as I open them, as I click the picture, this one na my profile. I know they use and post anything. I just leave am there because na page go be the main thing where if it grow. You understand? And I get 2 pages. Now 2 pages. If I press this arrow down here, if I press them now, you go see the 2 pages where I get 3 pages. supreme decentee and get a job. This third page no be even my own self. Do you understand? Person just give me admin, man, the manager once in a while for am. But you see, you understand, you need page. You need page. Now, let me use this get a job, this particular page, this one. Ma use and explain the type of video where you go dey do for you for Facebook to dey pay you. You understand? That one no mean say immediately you do am, Facebook will start to dey pay you. You need to go viral. You need to wait where Facebook send you notification say you don ready. They go invite you. They go invite you for monetization before. After you don dey post well, don dey get thousands of followers, don dey get comments, they go you go still wait make they invite you for monetization. Na that time you go come make money. But if you as long as say you dey put your best, you dey put original content, you sabi edit well, then you go definitely they go pay you. You understand? So I will use this get a job to show you some things, to show you the type of video. The first thing I go show you the type of video where if you download, may recreate them yourself. You understand? Before you post them for your own page. But the most important thing, you must make sure you create a Facebook page. So go find where to create a Facebook page. Go find, or may you collect a Facebook page for person and may buy them. Because you need to have a Facebook page for you to, start making money with Facebook. This video don't too long. Don't too long. I don't want it to be too long. Okay? I don't want it to be too long. So you are going to watch okay, let me continue this video. I'll show you the type of video you'll be watching before I cut the video, and I'll make part 2 of this video. Okay? So now what we go do be that. So let me click on this get a job. It will open this page. So you see now, say don't open this page. I don't open this page. So you need a page like this. You understand? You need a page like this. You need a page like this.
I need a serious girlfriend, but I don't.
Now for your page, after you don't get your page, you get the type of content where you go to post for your Facebook page. You get the type of content where you go to post for your Facebook page. Now, more go search for contents. More go find contents.
Baby, do you love me? Do you want?
Like this type of video. You see this type of video, you can download it. You can download it. After I download it, there's a way you can edit and overlay it with your own video or with your own picture. After you do it, you now post it on your page, and it's going to, you can go viral. You can be posting something like that. There's a way to do it. So on the next video that I'm going to make, I'm going to teach you how to edit. I'll teach you how to, I will teach you how you go take the editor. You understand? So that is it. But it's very important, say you choose one particular video style. They will know that this is the type of video you do, not all type of video that you see be posted on your page. But it's very good, it tests different type of videos. Sure you understand. So let me find another video. Like this type of videos. You can download any video that you know that people watch very well, and you can clip it. You can clip it. Alright? Any of these videos, and clip it. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to download and clip video, how to download and edit video. easily, okay?